Located in the exclusive The Timbers subdivision, this all-brick ranch-style home with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths and an open floor plan is in an excellent location close to shopping, restaurants, schools and medical. With almost 2,800 square feet of living space, this home can be yours for only $199,900. The all-brick home features double-pane windows with screens, central heat and air, and includes city utilities. The finished walkout basement includes access to a deck and patio plus large backyard with scattered trees and lots of wildlife. The subdivision offers paved, curbed and lighted streets, a subdivision owner's swimming pool, private lake and abundance of wildlife in the many green spaces throughout the development. The 3-bedroom, 3-bath home comes with an open floor plan, security system, safe room, crown molding, vaulted and tray ceilings plus much more. The living room offers tray ceilings, hardwood flooring, ceiling fan, large bright window and neutral paint colors. The kitchen with breakfast bar includes beautiful maple cabinets, recessed and pendulum lights and stainless steel appliances. The appliances include an electric range, exhaust fan, dishwasher, disposal and refrigerator. The floor in here is also hardwood like the living room. The open floor plan is perfect for conversation between the living room and kitchen or even watching TV while preparing a meal or washing dishes. The spacious dining room has a tall vaulted ceiling and large window providing light to the room. It also included hardwood flooring and beautiful chandelier light. The master bedroom is the first of 3 bedrooms on the main floor. It includes a walk-in closet and bathroom and door leading to the outside. The large room also has crown molding, ceiling fan and carpet flooring helping to keep the room warm and cozy. The master bath includes a vanity with sink and bathtub. In addition to space in the bedroom, there is also a lot of space in the walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 also has carpet flooring, large bright window and neutral paint color. This is the 3rd bedroom, which also includes a ceiling fan, carpet flooring and tall bright window. It, like the other rooms in the house, includes a neutral paint color, making this home move-in ready. In addition to the master bath, the 2nd full bathroom with tub can be found on the main floor. Extra spacious, this finished basement includes a large family room, bonus room and bathroom plus lots of storage. The floor down here is carpet except for right by the door leading outside. It is tile. Recessed lighting and windows and doors make this room nice and bright. With this bar in the basement, all you need is a card table or pool table and you're ready for fun with family and friends.